If you're not using turmeric on a regular basis, you are missing out on amazing health benefits. And if you don't know in what recipes you can use it, then keep watching. Hi, I'm Gabriela and I enjoy making homemade cosmetics, natural remedies and healthy foods. And in this video I'm going to show you easy turmeric recipes that will help you use it every day. One of the easiest ways is to use turmeric with yogurt or kefir. It has important benefits because it's healing to the gut when suffering from different intolerances. Here I have a small cup of yogurt and I add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and then I add the most important ingredient, pepper, and this time I'm using cayenne pepper. I've added down below in the description a link to a study that showed that adding pepper increased significantly the absorption into the body. That's why it's important to add pepper each time you are using turmeric in every recipe. Are you guys using kefir? Are you drinking it? I know it's not a very popular drink, but it's so beneficial, and I know it can be expensive. That's why I'm making my own kefir, and it took a while for me to get the hang of it, but we just love it as a family, and I would encourage you to explore it as well. If you are a tea drinker, especially a herbal tea drinker, then you can add it to your tea. Make tea as usually, and then you can combine the honey with turmeric and pepper. And when you add the honey to your tea, it will have turmeric in it. It will taste amazing and it will be so beneficial, and you can add it on your daily routine. If you have looked up turmeric for a while, you might have heard of golden milk or turmeric milk. It is an amazing and easy way to add turmeric to your daily life. It can be added to any type of warm milk. Here I have almond milk. You need to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, pepper and coconut oil to make it really creamy. It is so delicious, especially taking at night. As a family, we love soup, and if you forget any of these recipes, just remember this: with any soup you can add a teaspoon of turmeric, pepper, and just enjoy your soup. An easy, simple way to add turmeric to your daily life. Turmeric can also be used in scrambled eggs, in curries, in rice, roasted vegetables. Just feel free to experiment and enjoy. But also, if you don't enjoy the taste, capsules are a great way to just have your portion every day without feeling the taste. It's just so simple. That's it for this video. Thanks so much, and if you enjoy other homemade products, feel free to look on the channel, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!